Yes, good morning, children. Today I'll teach class 8D, chapter 6. It so happened the fight, part 1. Now, you have written these word meanings. We'll go on to the chapter, but after 5 minutes of frenzied means violent, unscientific struggle, neither boy had emerged victorious. Both of them fought together very violently, but none of them were found victorious. Their bodies heaving with exhaustion. Their bodies were heaving with exhaustion means their body were very tired due to the fighting. They stood back from each other, making tremendous effort to speak. Now, when they were exhausted, they stood back from each other, making tremendous effort to speak. Means they were having to take much of efforts to speak. Now, do you realize I am a warrior? Gasped the stranger. Now the stranger is telling, do you realize that I am a warrior? Gasped the stranger. He took his long breath. But do you know I am a fighter? Now said Ranji with difficulty. Ranji also told him that, do you know I am a fighter? Said Ranji with difficulty. They gave a moment's consideration to each other's answer, and in the moment of silence there was only their heavy breathing and the rapid breathing of their hearts. Now they gave a moment's consideration to each other. They considered each other answer, and in that moment of silence there was only heavy breathe. There was the sound of breathing and the rapid beating of their hearts. Now, then you will not leave the pool, said the warrior. I will not leave it, said Ranji. Then we shall have to continue the fight. Now, then the boy is telling, then we shall have to continue the fight, said the other. Now, all right, said Ranji, but neither boy moved, neither took the initiative. Now they were so much exhausted that neither of them moved and neither took the initiative to come further. Now the warrior had an inspiration. We will continue the fight tomorrow. Now he is telling that we will continue the fight tomorrow. Now the warrior was having an inspiration, that is a new idea, and he told that we will continue the fight tomorrow. He said, if you dare to come here again tomorrow, we will continue this fight. Now he told that if you dare to come here tomorrow, we will continue this fight, and I will not show you mercy as I have done today. And he is telling that I will not show you any mercy as I have done today. Now, I will come tomorrow, said Ranji. I will be ready for you. Now, they turned from each other then, and going to their respective rocks, put on their clothes and left the forest by different routes. Now, Ranji also told that, yes, I will come tomorrow. I will be ready for you. Now, both of them, turned from each other and they put on their clothes and left the forest by different direction.